Hi guys, welcome back. Belinda here, and welcome if you're new. So I'm going to be working on a 30 by 30 centimeter clock. So actually it was the only one that I could buy because it was the only one in stock, and it was on a different shelf completely. I just saw it. So it comes in this great box here, which holds us all together. Great for shipping, I think. And it is plywood. So what I'm going to do first, before I actually commence with this video, is I'm going to take off the hardware and I'm going to tape the back, and then we'll get onto it. Alright guys, so I have taped up my back, and I put a teeny bit of tape there, as you can see, that will be blocking the hole. I was kind of tempted to do the little bit of tape on this side, but I'm a little worried about when I put the hands on, you're going to be able to see like a blank area, which I could probably just paint in with a paintbrush, but hey, let's just do it this way. I can always, if it does clog up there, you know, I could drill a hole really. Okay, so white. Let's talk about the white. So my white, as you have noticed, actually a lot of my colors, you know, I don't use silicone and I always have cells. So I can't get the DecoArt satin enamel, so I'm using the house paint white gloss. Normally I use a semi-gloss, but lately I've been buying this one. Added to the white, you've got cells. If you'd like me to make a video on how I actually mix it, let me know in the comments field below, and I will do that. So today I'm going to be using a little bit of navy blue as well, and that as well is enamel. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see there. It says water-based enamel. Okay. To that white, I have added Liquitex Basics white, titanium, and the Derivan white. Now I just mix my whites. I don't care which white I use. I always get the same results. Right, now navy blue, I have added a tiny bit of it to the Prussian blue, and as you can see, this is my consistency. Mound on a mound on a mound. Then I have some fluorescent blue. I have added some medium to it, iridescent medium. Hopefully, let me see if you guys can see that. It's got a really nice shimmer. Okay, again, I think that might be a little bit thicker. There's no water in my paint at all. That's the white, so that's pretty thick. Okay, so first of all I'm going to go in with the blue, because I really want that to be kind of the center. And then I'm going to add just a bit for contrast of this lighter blue. And then goes in the white. And guys, you want quite a bit of this white. Let's add a little bit more. Okay. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the darker blue. So I'm kind of just alternating, And then I'm going to go in with a whole lot of the lighter blue. And hopefully I'll have enough paint. So I reckon that should be enough paint. I'm hoping it's not going to be too much, but there is a lot of blue at the bottom, so if it is too much then I don't need to use all of it. Okay, let's get pouring. I'm going to pour from high up, and there comes my white. So I kind of went off center, but that's alright. So, you show you the cells inside my cup, and that there is a very, very good sign. Okay. So, let's torch this. I'm going to bring you in closer and I'm going to leave you there just for a short while I'm torching. And then you can see how it grows. And while that is growing, I'm just going to put some of this that's left over on the edges. And that will just give my paint something to glide on. I don't need a lot because I do have a lot of paint down on this wood. So currently I am, you can't see me, I'll zoom you out a bit. Okay, that's about it. So currently I'm just putting the paint down around the edges. So guys, if you can't get the DecoArt satin enamel, which I believe is a problem globally, then you know, I'd suggest giving just some house paint, normal, natural house paint, give it a shot. You must use the enamel though. Again, you know, if you do want me to put up a video on how I mix my white, or even, you know, because you can get this in all colors, so, you know, I can mix my colors and show you if you guys are keen. So it's pretty dark outside because it's, you know, we've had quite a bit of rain lately. I'm just going to give this another torch. Alright, let's get tilting. So as you can see, there's a lot of this cloud effect that's come up already. And I'm just going to go slowly in circles just to get to the outer perimeter. I don't want to, I'm trying not to lose too much of the light, you know, the turquoise. I don't want it to roll over itself. And if I like this and it turns out really well, I might actually do a top coat of resin. So it will be for sale, guys. And also keep an eye out. Pretty soon I'm going to put up an auction. So with this type of pour, I would advise just take your time, take it slow. And there we're going over the edge. And I'm losing my light blue a bit. I'm just bringing it back. Now luckily this doesn't have, this wood doesn't have deep edge. I'll go off that edge there, or that bend, and bring it back. Okay, let me just have a look, see what I'm looking at. So considering that, the clock hands have to go in, and we do need, where's that cup? We do need a focal point. I think I might just bring it down a little bit here. Okay, let me look at it again. So I have to look at it from all angles. So we just fill in the sides where we need to. Right, so the reason why I'm looking at it from different angles is because I want to be able to see it from different perspectives. How am I going to hang this? The right way up, or for me the right way up. So I'm going to give it another torch. A lot of white spots, little cells came up. Alright guys, I think I'm happy with that, and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Don't forget guys to scrape your bottoms. Okay guys, I like the way this turned out. I think it really looks, it's very effective. I'll show you from this angle. Then I just have to decide which way I'm going to put the hands. Might actually be that way, because it kind of looks like it's got a lot of depth, which was pretty much what I was after. Okay, let's see from this angle. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I will show you the end result with the hands on, but I will have to resin it first. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the support, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.